Hello guys, welcome back to new video. I am going to Anydex website. You can see my error, my website error. You can see this is Sinhala font, but I can't understand what is that. I want to fix this error. I will show you how to fix this error. Open new tab. Type stylebot and click and go to stylebot website. You can see this is stylebot extension, Google Chrome extension. Click add to Chrome and add extension, and you can see it is downloaded. After finish downloading, and you can close your web browser. Close web browser. Open web browser again, Google Chrome, and go to Anydex website. And open stylebot extension. Open stylebot and click code button. Copy these codes. You can see right click on the code and click copy, and go to this box and control with V key and paste to this box. You can see fix this error. I will put these codes in the description below. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.